out it there and see how much debris is in the water. I don't think you're gonna catch anything here. I'm gonna have to try a different part of the beach maybe. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, it's kind of pointless. It's not that there's no debris, it's less debris. Catch one, I'd be happy. No way, dude. No way. How did I catch one right there? Small one back. How did I catch a fish? I did not expect that at all. How did I do that? Don't come off, don't come off. Don't come off. Oh, yes. Oh, it's this baby striper, man. It's a baby striper. Oh, yeah. I knew you probably were not perching. Oh, come here, baby. Oh, no. You've been on the sandworm. Oh, oh, no. I caught one, I'm happy. Ow. You hurt me, man. Come on, striper. Let me get you back in the water, dude. He is strong. I'll put you back, dude. Promise. Promise. Wow. Did not expect a striper. Get him back. There he goes. Alright. I'm happy I caught one. I caught a baby striper. It's all good. Was not expecting to catch anything out here today. Nothing at all. Low expectations. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I wonder if that's another striper. Oh man, better. Let's see if we can get him in. Oh yeah, this is a striper. It's not as big as the other one, but it's a striper. Wow, there are stripers out here, man. It's not a keeper, but that's okay. Hey man, they're stripers. It's all good. That's okay. 2 stripers, man. Not bad. Let's see if we can get him. Alright, dude. Ooh, he's strong. Ooh, he's strong. He went with the sand crab. Let's get him by the mouth. I can't really, just don't want to hook myself. I don't know if I should try that or not. Let me try it this way. Hold him very, very gently. I'm hooked good. Well, no, not yet, dude. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. Alright. There we go. Little striper. It's okay. It's probably about 13, maybe 13, 14 inches. Not big enough to keep. That's okay. There's a school out here. I might be able to get a bigger one. We'll let this guy go. Get bigger, eat some sand crabs, have a good life. There you go, dude. You'll make it. All right. Awesome. Totally surprised. Very, very surprised. Yeah, 19-inch striper, I'd be happy. Not a 18, that's too close. 19 or bigger. 19 or bigger. Alright. Man. That'd be a good day to take flash minnow, except for the debris in the water. Makes it kind of pointless. Can't complain. One thing of seaweed I can see out there, and guess who hooks up on it? Me. Me. Of course. I was trying to avoid it. There's no escaping the seaweed. No escaping it. Another striper, I think. Oh my god. It's a baby one, but it's a striper. It feels like a striper. Oh, it's a baby striper again. Oh, yes. I ain't gonna complain. It feels like a striper. Baby, but it's okay. Let's get him in. Let's get him in. Is it a striper? No, it's a perch. I got a perch. That was a striper this time, but oh, it's a calico. Nice. All right, it's a male too. Might keep this guy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a dude. It's not huge, but hey. I ain't gonna complain. Not bad. Yeah. Get him back in the water. There we go. Oh, come on, man. You can make it. Doesn't look like he's doing all that well. Huh. Hopefully he makes it. Huh. Never had one de-energized like that before. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. We're looking for a bigger one. Can't believe I caught 3 fish. Conditions are not ideal. Still caught 3 fish. It's really good. Oh, yes. Oh, unexpected. It's a good one. Well, decent one. Alright, not very good. Unless I had a different one on there. Another baby striper? I think it is. It is. Another baby striper. Huh. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Huh. Gee, look at that. Oh, let's get you. Alright. We'll get you back in. Another baby striper. Alright. Huh. A lot of little stripers out here. Interesting. Alright, dude. There you go.